everyone, welcome back to my channel. So how are you guys? I hope everyone is fine. So today I'm going to start the video with a cup of a coffee, and then we are heading towards DMart. Actually, I just shot the coffee video and then it's in the evening and we are going to DMart. Actually, we had plans to buy our mixer grinder because it's given for repair, and we don't have the mixer to use, so we thought we'll buy one. And yes, so we are just researching and seeing. Actually, we saw in two places in Prestige, but then we thought why not try in DMart and see how it goes. So here we are at DMart, and actually this is a different place where we usually buy items. Actually, it's a different place, so we came a little bit far. It's a huge DMart here, so we thought we might find some mixer grinder, but we didn't like, I mean my husband didn't like anything. It was like, everything was for lower watts, so he didn't like anything. So what we did was we just bought few items, and then we went to the Prestige shop near our house itself. So yeah, these we bought few items like some snacks and a teacup, a mug. So all these things we bought. So I'll show you what and all we bought in a few minutes, so keep on watching, guys. So here we are in the mug section or the teacup section. Here everything was very cheap. I mean, it was like starting from 35 rupees, and it was very different from from a different DMart where we usually buy. And this mug was like so heavy, I was not even able to hold that. I don't know how people are going to drink tea or coffee in that. So there were different types of mugs, and these colorful mugs, and this Doraemon mug, so cute mugs. And I saw this little teapot kind a little teapot kind of a mug, and it was in different kind of cute pastel colors. I will show you later. And I bought this cup. I had to buy one of these cups. It was so cute, and it is in white. And I bought this fish scale type mug, and it was very affordable, like 45 or 55, I'm not sure, maybe it is 45 only. And you can see these different types of colorful mugs here. This from small to big cups, and this is the teapot kind of a mug I was talking about. Isn't it so cute? I liked it. I wanted to buy, but I didn't buy. So yeah, this was like a small mug section there. So here we reached home, and these are the items which we purchased. So from the Prestige shop only we purchased this Prestige mixer grinder, and then from DMart, as I told, we bought some snacks and other things. So here we are unboxing the mixer grinder. So it's like it was for around 6,000, I believe. So it was we wanted something in our budget itself, so we purchased this. And yes, it has like 3 jars, and it's a small portable kind of a mixer grinder. I will show it to you. It's not an L shape. So here, see, it's not like L shape kind of a mixer. So I wanted something like, it doesn't take too much of space in the kitchen, and it takes less space, and it does the job well also. So this is why I purchased this. This is like a bigger jar. Like, so everyone is so excited, and they're sitting in there, unboxing this, removing the cap and all these things. So yeah, this is the mixer which we bought. Next I bought this idli stand, the steel idli stand. Our idli stand was like too old. It's like my mother-in-law's, I don't know from when it was there, but I thought let me buy a new one. So I bought these steel ones, just the stands, so that I can keep it in cooker and steam it. So yeah, these are the 2 items which we bought from the Prestige shop itself. After that, next day I went to my mom's house. So it's afternoon time, and we reached afternoon. So here she is preparing chicken, and these eggs are for my son. So he eats only egg white and no chicken, nothing. So only egg white for him. So we just boil egg and give it to him. He doesn't like any other thing. So this is the chicken gravy and rice. So yummy. So after having lunch, we just sat and we just spoke. After that, it was like evening time, and I had to make some drink. So this is the herbal drink I'm making. So it's about 5 to 5:30. We didn't drink tea or coffee, so I just made this tea for my mom and me. So this needs to boil. After that, So this drink is like a weight loss drink, and it's for immunity booster. So this needs to boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. After that we will consume it. So after that I didn't take the shot of boiling the tea and all those things. So we sat and we were sitting outside, and we just sipping the tea, and we were watching the nature. We were sitting out. I was chatting with my mom, and then it was about to rain. So yeah, this is how we spent our evening at my mom's place. You can see it is like almost cloudy, and at night it was about to rain. Here, when we come to mom's house, this is what my son does. So he's playing, and he says that this is slide, and he just puts the bed down and he slides, and he says that it is so much fun, and he slides. I'll show you. This is how he does it, and he feels so happy. So yes guys, this was today's video. So I hope you liked it. Just small clips of here and there, and hope you guys like this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I will see you in my next video. Have a good day. Bye.